Swaad, Bengal. Our today's recipe is Prawns Paturi or Chingri Paturi. Paturi is basically something when you cook it inside a leaf. So let's see how we can make this delicious recipe Chingri Paturi at home. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Let's begin the recipe.
Here I have taken 500 gram white prawns of medium size. This will be around 18 to 20 pieces. Now we will marinate it with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it properly. Once it is properly mixed with turmeric powder and salt, we will allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Now here I have taken some banana leaves for making paturi. I have washed it thoroughly. And now we will roast the banana leaf in a pan to make it flexible and easily foldable. The leaf should be heated from both the sides. See, the leaf has turned soft. It is easily folding now. We can easily fold the leaf. Now in the same pan we will add 2 tablespoons mustard oil and we will fry the prawns. The oil is enough hot. Now we will add the prawns and cook it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook it or it may turn rubbery. Just flip it once it is cooked from one side and cook it from both sides. See, it is almost done. Now we will take it in a separate container and marinate with grated coconut. This will be around 5 tablespoons. Mustard paste. I have taken 2 tablespoons mustard for making the paste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt and 3 tablespoons mustard oil. We will also add 5 to 6 green chillies. You can add more or less as per your taste. Now we will mix all the ingredients properly with the fish. After mixing the ingredients, we will take some prawns and place it in banana leaf. We will add little bit mustard oil, around 1 tablespoon, and some green chillies. Now we will wrap the prawns in banana leaf. As the leaf is very small, so I have taken 2 banana leaf, placed it horizontally and vertically, and now we will fold it vertically and horizontally in this way and make a parcel. We will take a cotton thread and tie the parcel in this way. Tie a knot and the parcel is ready. Similarly, we will repeat the procedure and make all other parcels. Here I have taken 500 gram prawns, so with that we can easily make 4 to 5 parcels. And here is my second parcel ready. Once we are done with all the parcels, we will heat 2 tablespoons mustard oil in a pan and roast the parcel one by one. We will cover the pan with a lid and cook the parcel in medium flame for 10 minutes. Let it cook in steam. After 10 minutes, we will open the lid and flip the parcel. Be very careful while flipping the parcel because it is very hot. Now we will again cover the lid and cook it for further 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will check. Our prawns paturi or chingri paturi is ready to serve. Enjoy the paturi with hot steamed rice, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. You can also check my other fish recipes like Bhetki Paturi, Ilish Bhapa. Details are mentioned in the given description. Also it is mentioned in the above icon. So please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Have a good day. Take care.